Why do birds lay eggs in spring? Have you ever wondered why birds lay their eggs in spring? Let's find out together. Spring is a special time of year. The days get longer, the sun shines brighter, and plants start growing again. But what does that have to do with birds and their eggs? One big reason birds lay their eggs in spring is because of food. When winter is over, the ground isn't frozen anymore, and there are plenty of worms, seeds, and bugs to eat. This is super important because baby birds or chicks need lots of food to grow strong. The warmer weather makes food even easier to find. More food means happier, healthier baby birds. Before a bird can lay eggs, she needs a safe and cosy nest. Spring is the perfect time for nest building because trees are full of leaves and soft materials like twigs and grass are easy to find. Did you know that different birds build nests in different places? Some like high tree branches, some prefer bushes, and others even build their nests on the ground. Every bird finds the perfect home for their eggs. Once the nest is ready, it's time to lay the eggs. But eggs are delicate and they need to stay warm to hatch. That's why spring is perfect. Warmer weather makes it easier for mother birds to keep their eggs safe and cosy. Even when it rains, the mother bird makes sure her eggs stay warm and dry. Then it's time for the baby birds to hatch. Now that it's spring, there's plenty of food and sunshine to help these baby birds to grow. Soon they'll be ready to explore the world. After a few weeks, the baby birds grow strong enough to start learning how to fly. It takes a little practice, but soon they'll be flying just like their parents. So that's why birds lay their eggs in spring. It's the best time for them to hatch, grow, and learn to fly. When they grow up, they'll build their own nests and have babies of their own. The next time you see a bird's nest, you'll know why those eggs are there. Can you guess how many eggs a bird lays at one time? Some birds lay just one, while others can lay 10 or more. See if you can spot a nest near your home or in a park. But remember, always watch from a distance. Thanks for watching and listening. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.